Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Hameli and this is my lovely brother Abdullah.
Hello to the loved world.
He's going to be joining us today, and yes, I am related to him. Okay, so we're going to be trying making slime, homemade slime, for the first time ever. Now you must be asking, why is it the first time ever? Because we were banned. Because it gets stuck in your hair and furniture and fabric in general. So it makes a mess. So our parents banned it. But this time we finally asked them to let us make slime. And what better way but to finally post something on my channel but do this. So now we are going to be trying making slime. Now, the things we are going to be using is shaving cream, shaving foam, contact lenses solution, using the Equat version. Equat, I like it.
And we'll be using school glue.
Elmer's school glue, because nothing's better than Elmer's. Literally the best. And our key ingredient, which is basically the activator. It instantly activates it, basically.
Gain
gives you the pain. La 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 la. It literally came to my head. And now we are going to be using some extra stuff to make our slime pop. Now I heard that food coloring works on it, and I don't know if it's going to work or not. But all I know is it's definitely going to stain my hands.
Yeah.
So food coloring. Foam balls. Like, I don't want to do the foam balls. I'm afraid, like, if we open it, it's gonna ruin my room floor. And then glitter packets. We have so many colors, like, literally, so many. I don't even know why there's something called bright.
and
It's literally so bright.
Orange
Yeah, there's even an orange one.
and blue.
It's so bright, literally. Anyways, and yeah, so a bowl and a spoon. For some reason, I'm making a stick to mix like the shaving foam.
Yeah.
Now, let's see who will do it first. Now we're gonna start with the glue because honestly, I think it's like the base. But all I know is I'm gonna mostly do my shaving foam. It's gonna be like soft.
Let's put this in the middle.
This way. We're gonna do rock paper scissors to see which person does it first. Rock paper scissors shoot. I always lose.
Yeah, just do it. Just do it. Okay.
That was so fun to see.
Very funny.
That made me feel so. Oh my god!
Very, very funny. Very funny. You should break my heart.
That almost made a mess. And I am
Yeah,
very specific.
And move lip.
I forgot to put it in my own plate. This is so awkward. Anyways, so
Well, now that's funny.
I feel like I'm gonna put more shaving foam and glue. What you added so much. A little bit sibling rivalry. Beautiful. I'm very bad at saying stuff. Now, honestly, I feel like the contact lenses solution is like more like so it doesn't stick on your hand. Like it doesn't activate it, just a tiny bit, but like it sticks on your hand. So let's save that for last.
Shaving foam.
Shaving foam.
Joe, I did.
Ow. Don't touch my armpit. Don't touch my armpit. Don't touch my armpit. That was so weird. Anyways, I'm doing it first because you did the first one first. I want to add a lot, but I also want to add a little bit, like so it can be like very long, like very stretchy. But
I want it to be really soft. That's a lot. That's a lot. Time for me?
Smoothing out the buttercream.
They're so soft. Oh my god.
My room's going to be such a mess. Smoothing out the butter.
Okay.
How would you make everything hard for yourself?
This way.
Stop. I think you're supposed to shake it first.
What is that?
And then do it. It's
Yeah.
called shaking. Okay, okay. Keep adding, keep adding.
I want it to be soft. Yeah, that's good.
Save
So,
me.
who can lick this for me?
Don't lick it. Don't lick it. Don't lick it. Viewers, don't lick shaving cream.
Wink. Okay.
Don't listen to him. Don't listen to
Now
him.
get it off of me.
Excuse him. Anyway, so I'm gonna start mixing mine with this stick. No, you use your spoon. Okay. Sticks are for proper people. It's literally so thick. It's literally so thick. Come see it. It's literally so thick.
I'm smoothing out.
I feel like I want to lick it for some reason. Oh no, now I'm acting like it.
I'm smoothing it, not mixing it.
Okay, so I think this is literally the best time to add like the food coloring. Not the glitter, but food coloring. Now if you want food coloring, if you don't want food coloring, you probably want to skip this part, of course. But if you want food coloring, stay, because this little baby is going to be full of food coloring. Anyway, so, okay. So these are the colors we have. Are you done?
Yeah. I'm done.
Okay, so what color? I'm going to make mine into, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm going to make mine into like a peach color, because I really want mine like to be like peachy. And what are you going to make yours?
A red color.
Red?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to pass you the red. Here's red. Now, I don't know. You can add yours. Try not to do a lot, because you know Mama's going to kill me if you add too much, because my mom loves to do baking. So, come check it out. Literally. What? You're acting like it's a salt shaker. Squeeze it. Lightly. Precision. Okay. So I think I'm gonna first put a tiny drop of pink, maybe, or yellow, or something like that. What? This is not a napkin. Okay, I'm gonna do first a little tiny bit of red, just like him.
Tiny.
Precision.
That's good.
Okay, come see us mix it up.
Did I mix it now?
Yes, let's mix it slowly. 3, 2, 1.
Or did I
It looks so pretty so far.
It's like doing it in a pinky color.
I have a question now. What is your favorite character?
It's going in a peach.
It can be like a movie.
It's going like a pink color.
Pink? Okay, if you don't want it to be pink, just add a little red. Another piece of red.
Yeah, I'm putting this.
That's Carmi something. I don't know. People change colors now. Colors are colors.
Patience and precision. Okay, done.
It looks pretty.
Yeah, but I don't want pink on it. I want red.
Can someone please tell me what color is this? Why don't they just call it red?
Now that is good.
Like look at crimson. Crimson. Just call it red, people.
Yeah, but I want. Oh my god, this is pink. This is pink.
And that's why you want red.
Yeah, I'm putting another one.
Red, do red. Okay, your choice. Anyway, so I think I'm going to start adding yellow, a little bit of yellow, but of course, like very, very light pink. So I'm also going to add more red.
Oh, it's turning red. Yes.
Where's the red?
It's turning red.
Yes. Can you drop already?
Why is this not turning red?
I don't know, because you used something off of the rainbow. ABC master degree that is not part of the rainbow. Okay, guys, come check it out. I'm gonna add right now the yellow.
I'm just adding another one until it becomes red.
How about you use red?
This
actually,
is pink. This is pink. This is pink.
I might just add orange. I might. I feel like I need to.
I'm gonna just do 2.
Maybe you guys should do more.
I
Like
am
more drops.
I'm doing
Yeah, I
it.
guess so.
I'm doing 2 drops.
But I don't want my mommy to kill me.
I did 2 eyes. Now mine's.
Can someone please tell me if I ruined it or not?
Yeah, you ruined it.
No, orange goes a long way.
Yep. Because of one group. Finally even. Yep. And it kind of turned to peach. Ow.
Did you add yellow?
I'm gonna add it soon.
I
Now,
feel like this is going a peach color.
Abdullah, I think you should add more drops of red.
stop using cream-of bubble, whatever they want to call it.
Red, I think.
Man. Now, I'm gonna add yellow.
More like dark red.
So, once you find the color you are looking for, you are going to add the activator. Of course, this is taking too long, so I'm just gonna skip ahead and go to the activator. Give me this. I've had enough with the color pink for some reason. There you go, red. Okay, while Abdullah's mixing this, let's add our gain. Come check it out, guys. So, of course, the gain is a marvelous thing to look at. So, there's actually no exact measurement. It depends on how much you have.
Ow.
What's your problem, bro? You'll make an artist masterpiece.
It's not even turning red.
Let's check it out. Come see. 3, 2, 1. It's already literally making a lump.
Well, no. Wow.
I am thinking of so many things right
Oh
now.
my god.
So, of course, I'm going to have to add more gain. It's nice and tired game ball right now.
Yeah, I am done with this.
You're done with the color?
I'm not done this minute.
I'm just going to add it all in here.
Yeah. You should. Can you just put a little bit? A little bit.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Please excuse us. Like I said, we've never made slime before. What is happening to mine? Check it out. Like, what is happening to mine?
Oh my god, no. That is getting very, very...
It looks like very peachy. I want to mix it harder.
What happened to mine too? What's happening?
I think you had enough with food coloring.
Yeah, it's not really turning red.
Maybe Abdullah should add more gain.
More game.
Maybe.
Yes. If you guys are wondering right now who was talking, it's my sister Hind. Hello. Yes, this is what I'm working with. I like the color, but I feel like it's very sticky. Now, this is probably the best time
Of your life.
of like when you want to start like kneading it, but it's like,
Oh my god.
someone help me. I'm gonna start adding the Abdullah, you need a lot of games. Keep
Yeah.
adding it
Just put it.
and mix it up. Now I'm gonna add the contact lenses solution. That way I can actually start kneading it.
You do it. Oh my god. Why is it turning pink? I'm so wondering why it's still
that much to pull. It's kind of sticking. Oh my god.
Oh,
I
mine.
might just start kneading.
Mine's very squishy.
Make sure your hands are not wet.
Yeah, my hands are so wet.
Do not ruin my perfect table.
Yeah. Ding, 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 ding. Excuse
Yeah,
her.
do I need
She's shy. Excuse her, she's shy.
Do you think this needs more gain?
No.
Okay, we're gonna start kneading it. So I'm gonna just add it here. Take this. Yeah, I think you got enough gain. Now I'm gonna put my hands in. This is how it looks like.
Yo, roll your sleeves up first. Like,
My sleeves are already up.
It's too late for now.
Damn sure.
I add just a tiny, not that much of glue. I think what makes it big is the shaving foam. It's very like sticky. Let's just say that.
No, I
So,
good stuff.
When it's this sticky, I'm gonna start adding my contact lenses.
Oh, this
solution.
is very good. But it's pink. I think
Let
this
me
is
feel
good.
yours. You should start right now, like mixing. Did you add your contact solution? Nope. Okay, you should add it.
That's right.
So we gotta leave all these. Start taking it out. It's beautiful.
Jiggly, jiggly.
my perfect table is ruined.
Takes so long.
So long.
And I'm saying so much.
Knead it first before you put it
Yes.
on the table.
Abdullah.
This is not stretchy, but soft. And it doesn't stick on my hand.
You're having one. Miss
I
Irene.
think
You really are. And me.
So I think yours turned out to be peach and Abdullah turned a bit like shocking pink a bit.
Yeah, I feel like I should add glitter, and I feel like I should not add glitter.
I don't
I don't know.
I feel like you shouldn't add glitter.
Yeah. See, this person that's right now talking, my big sister Hin, she's like my best friend.
Thank you.
Anyways, so this is the final product
now it's like giggly.
after making the slime.
Oh, it bounces.
This is how it looks like.
And comment down what is your favorite color to put on slime if you were making
Yeah.
slime.
Because if we make another slime video, comment down below and we'll find a color that you guys chose and we'll try and make it.
Yeah, and the things you put inside it.
Yeah.
But now mine makes a sound.
Guys, come listen to the sound, literally, come. Yes. This is the first time touching slime, so I feel so good. I feel so happy. Okay, Abdullah, let's show them. Let's see which one's more like stretchy. We'll do like a test. So his is definitely more airy. And mine is more like it's fluffy, but it's also very stretchy. Like his could probably be like it's very airy, but it's really hard like to stretch. So yeah, now these are the extra glitter in these stuff that we can add. So we have black, pink, green, a green.
I think that's kind of like a neon green.
Yeah, and then there's this neon. This like matches so much.
I guess.
He tried to go from red and it went to like pink.
You know, Abdullah, there's red glitter right there.
Oh yeah, red glitter, red glitter.
Yeah, we also have this big red glitter, so you could add that and call it red.
There's silver too.
There's white and there's light blue and yellow. Now, guys, I feel like if I'm gonna add glitter, then I'm gonna like make it like either yellow or orange. I really love this slime, so I think I'm gonna go with yellow.
I think I'm
So
gonna
I don't know how, like, is it gonna match or not?
I think you should do the orange.
Why
I
is there
forgot to
glitter?
bring
Why is there glitter?
scissors.
There's glitter. There's glitter. You say glitter.
Glitter. Whatever. He's very depressed that it's not red. So Abdul, do you want to add your red glitter? So this is the red glitter. We have a ton of it. So do you want to add your red glitter?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, but should we add?
Is it sticky? It's not really sticky, so you don't really need contact lenses.
Can I just touch yours?
Yes.
Someone's jealous.
I am jealous.
Touch mine.
Stick it.
Okay, that's
So it's okay. Like it's actually kind of like squishy. I like it. Anyways, so let's add the glitter. Okay.
yeah. I'm doing mine.
How do you open this? Oh, okay. Are you ready? Let's
I
make
made
like a
the
donut. This is
I
the
made-
donut shape.
I made the donut. I made a donut.
Come on. This is the donut shape. So we're gonna make like kind of like a donut shape, right? Put it on the ground. So we're gonna make sure there's no hole. We're gonna put a donut shape.
Donut.
Add it in.
Oh my.
Now this is when your salt shaking technique comes in handy. More?
Yeah, more. Yeah, that's done. That's done. Thank you. Okay.
I go cray cray.
Should I just
Cray cray.
I swear you guys will be cleaning my table.
You got glitter on mine. Anyways, yes, it turns out I'm gonna be cleaning this table.
Yeah, nerd.
And mine's very like sticky, so I'm gonna add a little bit of contact solution. Okay, guys.
Don't add too much. It's not going to be stretchy then.
Okay. Like I said, I'm the first student, so I don't know.
I want mine to be stretchy.
Show them how it is. Come on, do it.
Look, I'm the glitter.
So far, I feel like I don't really want to add glitter because it's so nice. So this is the final look, everybody. Here, can you see? I'm gonna make it into first a little poop.
I'm gonna make
Anyways, listen to this ASMR.
Oh, see, I'm just ready to sand. Wait.
So I think this is it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss a video if we post one. Now, Abdullah actually has a channel, but he hasn't posted anything on it. But I'll make sure to put his link to his channel in the box below. So be sure to check that out and subscribe to his channel. And comment down below what video we should do next. Because I'm not really sure what video we should do next. So comment down below and we'll see the most. And that's it. Bye, guys.